What you guys, got another video here for you. In this one we're going to be looking at how we can delete all types of different cache which is stored on the computer, and we're going to be using just our manual way of removing this rather than using any software. But there's loads of types of software out there that will clean up your system and clear all the system cache up for you. But I just want to show you there is ways of going about this manually. It's always a good way to learn and know where this stuff is stored. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm going to cover as much as I can here, but there's probably loads more which I could cover, but I'll probably have to do that in another video. So first off, let's start off by going to the Explorer here, then into the C drive. Inside here you can already see we do have a Windows.old. I'll cover that bit a little bit later on. You can see that has 1.51 gigabytes which we can now remove. But first off, we're going to go into the Windows directory. Inside here we're going to come down to where it says software distribution. Inside software distribution, this is where all your data, so if you go into downloads here, this is your Windows Update data which is used, and then it doesn't need it anymore, so you can get rid of all this stuff here. So you can see if I just put properties on this, that's 507 megabytes, which is quite a lot. So if you want to delete that, you can delete all this stuff inside here by just pushing the delete key, and it will delete that. Now if it needs any of this stuff, it will automatically download it anyway. So I'm just going to get rid of this and do this to all of this content inside here and let that delete. Okay, so that folder is now empty and that one is done, so we can close that off. So next up we're going to go to the temp area. Now to do this you can push the Windows key, which is the little flag key on your left hand bottom corner of your keyboard, and R, and that brings up the run box. Now you can also bring up the run box by right clicking and clicking on run here, same thing. So do percentage temp and then percentage, and this will take you to the location here. And you can now delete all the content inside here. This is just temp stuff that you can delete. So let me go ahead and highlight all this stuff, and you can highlight it the way you want, but basically I'm just going to highlight it all like this. I'm actually recording this stuff at the moment, so I need to remove these, but you don't have to. But because I'm recording the screen,